All right, I have an absolute stunner for you here today. This is a $1.245 million property here in the gated communities of Seven Hills out in Henderson. And you're gonna definitely wanna stick to the end for the strip view. You have an obstructed view of the strip, but quick glance around the neighborhood just to show you what kind of properties are in this community. I mean, as far as this fountain here up front with the 3-car garage, very neat curb appeal. And this double door entry here. All right, check out this foyer. Right when you step in here, you are greeted with these high vaulted ceilings, very spacious. We have marble flooring, beautiful railing, and you gotta love this glossed marble flooring. But check out the vaulted ceilings here. This goes all the way up to the second level. And as you see here, we're in the front den. Can you imagine working here, waking up, working at home? Beautiful custom built-ins. And I like these light fixtures, which are modern yet very traditional. I know, is that even a thing? Can it be both? It's got beautiful panels here on the walls, along with all the mirrors. Okay, so we saw the den. You're gonna definitely wanna see some of the views from outside. But first, we have our living room and kitchen here. So electric fireplace, beautiful chandeliers, all these bay windows that point out to the infinity pool and this beautiful open kitchen. Look at this granite countertop island. Oh my goodness. Are you guys a fan of the veins in there or not? Make sure to put that in the comments. Shaker cabinets here with some modern hardware. Stainless steel appliances, of course, with your kitchen or your refrigerator, and gas, 6-burner oven here. Wow. Yeah, these are, I would say, what are we working with? 10-foot ceilings. One of my favorite features of all time, undermounted sinks. And can't forget the dishwasher. Okay, so we have plenty of storage in these cabinets. So you'll be able to sit over here on the bar stool area. And part of the appeal to this property is this infinity pool. I mean, we don't have any neighbors looking into your backyard, and I don't know how it shows here on video, but you have an obstructed view of the strip right there. So you could literally see everything from Allegiant Stadium, Mandalay Bay, There's the Grand, MGM Grand, New York, New York. Resort World further to the right, and everything in between. I mean, this is probably a very beautiful view at night as well. Not probably, it's guaranteed a beautiful view when it is nighttime and those lights are just giving you a show here. So nice pergola over the barbecue pit area. And I mean, it is so quiet and peaceful out here as well. Very, very prominent neighborhood if you're not familiar with Seven Hills out here in Henderson. It's tucked fairly close between these mountains. And around this edge, we have just more access to the backyard and the AC unit. Let's take a look at the property. Anything we need to see? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wow. What a beautiful backyard. Okay. That's kind of creepy there with the door. Let me go ahead and grab that. Yeah, let me close this door real quick just so I don't concern the neighbors. Last thing we need here is any kind of authorities showing up. Okay, back to the scheduled tour. So, what's next? After seeing that beautiful outdoor view, we have our half bathroom. You gotta have the master primary suite. Beautiful crown molding. And we're still here on the main level. You have your access right there to the hot tub and pool with your gorgeous views. You could literally wake up to the Las Vegas Strip view and go to sleep too. I don't know which one would be more desirable, but very cool feature here, which you don't get that often. And look at this primary bathroom. Your jetted tub. I mean, even someone like myself, 6'3", could fit in there. Beautiful extended walk-in shower. We got ceiling, floor to ceiling tile. Beautiful. And even this is in the primary, but this is going to also be available in the other bathrooms. Just wait on that. And yes, we have the double vanity. Beautiful modern fixtures, gold faucets, updated hardware. And our closet. I mean, we still have our marble flooring in our walk-in closet here. Wow, how special is that? Okay, so yeah, we're just getting started. I know this is gonna be a little bit longer of a video, but we have so much luxury to view here. We got our double stacked cabinets in the laundry room. Butcher block kind of countertop and quick peek here in the garage with our epoxy flooring, sprinkler system, and our water heater is on that end, along with the fuse box. And we have storage above as well. Okay. Don't worry, we still have a couple gems for you for this. If you liked the pool backyard view of the strip, you're gonna love the one from our 3rd floor balcony. Okay, so once you walk up this beautiful staircase, we have a family room area, but then we also have another den which wraps around here to our dual sinks and secondary shower. Check that out. We still have our same beautiful floor to ceiling tile. Beautiful. Okay, and here's one of the shared, or I should say secondary bedrooms. Even our closet has our light in there. Check out the balcony, which will wrap around all the way to the den. And don't worry, I'll poke my camera out here, because you have to see this view. So that's what you get off of the den. And you see it connects to that other bedroom here. Okay guys, hang in there, we're almost done. We're gonna save this last bit here for that upstairs 3rd room. You're gonna love the view. Okay, and speaking of a joined style of rooms, this is like another Jack and Jill setup where we have our room here, which is connected between a couple of doors into our 3rd bathroom. Again, floor to ceiling tile. So when you hear and see a house that says fully remodeled, is it really fully remodeled? Is all of the bathrooms, the shared ones, up to scale with just the primary? Because usually, you know, they just pay attention to the primary bedroom for remodeling, but we have all of our bathrooms here, and you could see our backyard space with the neighbors. But for the best view to the strip, bear with me, we are getting to the last part of this with our terrace balcony space. Check that out. So I'll do another zoom in here to see the full view of the strip. I mean, you could see everything. You could see the Allegiant Stadium, Mandalay Bay. I mean, even the new MSG Sphere right there. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Hopefully this was something you would appreciate. This was definitely a special listing, and in our prominent community of Seven Hills over here in, technically this is Henderson, but as you see, If you're out of state and unfamiliar, it is pretty much the same as Las Vegas, as you see as the strip down there. And I mean, this view even wraps around to our Red Rock Canyon. Okay, you guys, appreciate you guys viewing this video. Make sure to check out some of the other videos on my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.